Burger King is doing a whole revamp to all of their branding. What's funny is I looked at it and I was like, this revamp feels like their old stuff. Like it feels like an old logo, sort of. And sure enough, it is. It's inspired by their old logo. I don't know if you remember what their current logo looks like. It's more round and it has like a blue swoosh. Yeah, that thing. And since you're a big logo guy, let's get your take from that right there to the new one right there.
It definitely has an old school vibe. I like this one better.
You like the new old looking one?
Yeah.
No blue. Well, anyway, they said they got rid of the blue because there's no food items that are blue.
Correct. And it doesn't look as appetizing.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't feel like food. And they got rid of the shine on the burger because they said buns don't shine, is what they said.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Now, it's not just the logo that got revamped. They revamped all the outfits, the restaurants. That's a better side-by-side comparison over there. It does. That Burger King on the right does make me hungry. Mm-hmm. The left one, not at all.
Yeah. This looks like a game or something.
Right.
Like a retro game icon.
An arcade game. But anyway, if you scroll down, you can see that all of the colors are inspired. Go down a little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. All the colors are inspired by the actual burgers. So everything in the store is going to come from the burger itself. So you would have red because you have a tomato. You would have brown because you have a patty. You would have yellow because you have a bun, or green because you have lettuce. So everything inspired by the food itself. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will see even more branding with the outfits. And I mean, that's a cool shot with all of the wrappers and things.
Ties everything together.
It's kind of a cool vibe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Call me crazy. It's like a cartoon kind of too. It's how you would picture a burger shop in a cartoon.
Kind of generic in a way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like if you had the little kids play set with burgers.
Yeah.
The burger
it has all the right colors.
It would be like that.
Yeah.
And the restaurant itself actually is going to look a little cooler, which is I think the very last slide. That's from the outside, and you can see the inside. It's really updated.
Oh.
And I think it's a much nicer look. Now, apparently, they're not going to force the restaurants to do these big upgrades right now. You know the circumstance with restaurants, maybe not doing the greatest in 2020 and whatnot, but franchise owners can upgrade to this whenever they see fit.
Yeah.
Pretty cool rebrand.